on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, 1 year on YouTube. On one hand, it seems like it went by really fast. On the other hand, it seems like I've been recording for a long time. I don't know how that's possible, both of them for it to feel like that at the same time, but it does. Once again, y'all forgive the road noise out here if y'all can hear that. I'm sure you can. But I just want to talk a little bit today about how the channel got started, and then we're going to probably show some clips over the past year of some of the rides and stuff that I've had on the channel. And before we do that, before I talk about how the channel got started, I want to preface with a little story about the tail of the dragon. And no, this is not a video about the tail of the dragon. A lot of people love the road, a lot of people hate it. That's neither here nor there. But years ago, when I first heard about the tail of the dragon, I wanted to ride it. Years went by of riding, and cat messing with me. Years went by of riding, never got a chance to go up there. So last year I went up in October and rode the tail of the dragon, Cherry Hollow Skyway, some other areas. Went up during the first annual Smoky Mountain Bike Week and did that. But I was finally able to ride the tail of the dragon. But the reason I tell you that story is that when I first heard about the tail of the dragon and wanted to ride it, at that time I didn't even ride. I had never at that point even owned a motorcycle. Bought my first bike when I was 35 years old. So the reason I'm telling you that is if there's something that you guys really want to do, something you got a dream of doing, even though it doesn't even look possible or feasible at the time, don't give up on it, man. Just keep trying and keep working toward that goal. But how the channel got started, when I took that trip up, it was the first week of October of last year. I wanted to record the ride. I had a friend of mine that wanted to see it. He wasn't able to go, and for my family to watch, and mainly I wanted to record the trip up there just for myself, so I could go back anytime in the future and look at it, since it was really the culmination of years of desire to go up there and ride that area. And so I got an Picasso camera. I started recording some stuff, and let that traffic get by. I started recording some stuff, and I posted a couple of videos. It was like 2 or 3 minutes just to learn how to upload stuff to YouTube and stuff. But when I took that trip up there, I enjoyed the recording process, recording stuff and editing videos so much, I kept doing it. And so that's kind of how the channel started. I didn't start out to continue to keep, I didn't have intentions to just keep doing videos and stuff, but I really enjoyed that. And so man, I just kept on going. So actually I started the channel, I think it was maybe in September of last year. But like I said, I uploaded a couple of small videos, just try to get used to the process and learn how to do it. But my actual, what I consider my first video that I did was that trip up to the tail of the dragon. And at the time I had the one Picasso camera. I didn't have any mics set up or anything like that, so there wasn't even any motovlogging or talking really in the videos. It was just video and music. And then finally got my mic set up and stuff. And just like anybody else that starts a channel and keeps doing videos, when we all try to, to improve, to get better at videoing and our content, at editing. And I've learned a lot, still got a lot to learn, but that's why, even though the channel started technically like in September or something last year, I actually consider the 1 year anniversary of the channel being like the first week of October when I took that trip. So that being said, at this time I think we got like somewhere around 655 subscribers, I think. So I just want to thank again everybody that has tuned into the channel, that's watched the videos, that have subscribed to the channel, that have commented on the videos. Man, I really appreciate it. I appreciate y'all watching and engaging with the channel, and hope to get better, man. Hope to put some more stuff out there. Got some stuff planned hopefully for next year, or wanting to plan some stuff for next year. I haven't actually got it planned yet, but got some ideas in my head. So anyway, just thank you guys for tuning in and for supporting the channel, and we're going to look at a little compilation here of some of the videos over the past year. And thank you guys again. Hope y'all enjoy this look back at the last year of Southern Hogs. 6:09. I finished getting some stuff loaded up. We're rolling out, headed East Tennessee and North Carolina. Ride the Tail of the Dragon, Cherahalla Skyway. A little solo trip. So, this stuff loaded up. Fixing to head into the Tail of the Dragon. High crash area next 11 miles. Like we're gonna have some rain on the way home. Be a wet ride. Alright, so here we are, pulled off the road here. We're gonna look at the windshield that I'm running. Went with the Legend suspensions. I got the Revo A's for my bike, and we're going to be doing that install today. Alright guys, we're here. I want to show you guys here. We're at the Rattlesnake Saloon in Alabama. We're going to go check it out. It's a pretty cool spot. We're gassing up. Let's get on out to Decatur, head toward Chattanooga and Knoxville. So we made it here to Hilton Garden Inn in Knoxville. Williams. You ain't got any new videos of folks dancing to your music, have you?
I got one coming up tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
CD.
Southern.
What's going on,
What's
man?
up, man?
CD 205 right here.
205.
Kelly B. What's up, man? Southern Hall. Yeah. What's up, man?
Good to see you, man. Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir. You too.
What's up, yo?
What's up? Kelly B.
Follow me, Southern Hall, man. I follow you, man.
All right, guys, made it to our first stop of the day. It's going to be fourth stop on this video, but our first stop for the day. We're in Tunica, Mississippi, at the Gateway to the Blues Visitor Center. Here at Ground Zero Blues Club. Check these out now. That is some cool murals right there. What's going on, man?
How's it going, man?
Right.
Sorry about the wait.
Good to meet you. That's all right. Yeah. Follow Mr. Gadget. He's gonna lead us up to Robert Johnson's grave site. Solitude. Look at that. Look at the woods right there. Part of this road runs through the Holly Springs National Forest. So maybe that's why a lot of it, you know, what I thought was such a nice drive. You do have pull-offs like this to tell the history of the area, and some, especially you got Indian mounds, sections of the old trace, and stuff like Witch Dance where we stopped at. It's got, you know, a little bit of history, but you know, 50-mile-an-hour speed limit for 400 and something miles. I mean, it can get a little monotonous, so keep that in mind. back's that go? How far back does it go? Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed looking back at some of the stuff that happened over the last year. Hopefully I didn't make it too long. A lot of stuff you want to include and don't want to leave out. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Again, I appreciate everybody that's tuned into the channel and subscribed, and looking forward to the next year. And until next time, y'all stay safe out there, and we'll catch y'all in the next one.